Hi, hope you're doing well. I just going to start a little bit of a project and I thought I'd bring you guys along. The behind my desk here, as you can see, is just really unorganized. So I've been trying to work out what to do. I was looking at buying like a little credenza kind of thing to go there, but I really don't want to be spending any money on something like that at the moment. So I was having a look around the house and see what I could work out that I could use in its space, and I found, I'm just going to turn you around. So I found that I had, so this is the space here as I was just talking to you about. And the filing's a little bit out of control. What happens when you're working from home full time and you're trying to run a business. So we have this old Ikea table. I've just started to take the legs off. I started to take them off and then I went, oh, I should probably film this. Maybe someone might be interested in this hack. So I'm just going to steal the legs off this, and I have this old, well, not old, it's new, I've never used it, piece of premium plywood that I purchased for another project and that I haven't done, and I can't even remember what it was. So I'm going to use that and attach it with some, let's see if I can spin this around, attach it with some Gorilla wood glue, and so we'll see how that goes. So I'm just going to put the camera, I'll flip you back around, hang on, sorry about that. So I'm just going to pop the camera onto the tripod so you're not all wobbly, and we'll do this together. So first things first, I've already got two of the legs off, so I'll get the other two off. Oh, I mean, this table isn't in the best shape. We don't actually use it for anything. It's just been sitting in our media room. I was meant to throw it out in our last cleanup that we had, but I forgot. Maybe that was for a reason. Because as you can see, I mean, it's not the prettiest, the paint's peeling and stuff, but as I said, it's literally just going to be used where you can't really see it anyway. So, the fun part is getting these screws out. And this is, I was actually tidying my office, to give you some context. I was tidying up my office and my desk to film a different YouTube video today, because as I mentioned in my last video, actually in the video that will be before this one, was I'm going to be making Cohen's sign for behind his backdrop when he's filming his Twitch streams. And I haven't actually done that yet. And I was just tidying up my office so that I could start filming that. And I thought I'd do this. So, a little bit of a bonus video. That was handy. That one's screw actually stayed in the tabletop. Okay, so that's that done, and the tabletop left, and that's actually not in too bad a condition, so I might actually use that for something else. Not quite sure what, but something. Okay, so pop those over there. Now, work out which is the prettiest side of the ply. Not that it really matters because it's going to be covered anyway. We'll go with this side. I do like the wood grain on this side. Got a few cobwebs on it. It's been in the garage. So just going to, we're back in a minute. I'm just going to get a cloth to wipe that off. Okay, so I'll just give it a bit of a dust because, as I said, it's been in the garage, so it's a bit dusty. And the best thing about this is the actual area that I'm trying to fill is actually 1200, so this is actually going to fit in there perfectly and I don't even need to cut it. So really quick and simple DIY. Okay, I may just give these legs a bit of a clean. A bit grubby. Okay, so, and if you actually have a look at the tabletop, the work surface that I'm working on, it's exactly the same ply. So one day when I finally stain this, I can do this the same, and I've got the ply and the white theme carrying through my office, so it's nice and handy. Thought it was a trick. I've never actually used it, but you just pull it up. Oh, got to clamp it. Don't know how I'm going to do that. I might just gonna that was lucky. It's going to give it a bit of a mark so that I know that it's straight. Now, I'm not going to be putting anything overly heavy on this or anything. It's really just to put folders and stuff like that on. Once they're sort of stuck, I figure I could actually put some screws down through the top of the table bench if I need it to be extra sturdy, but I really don't think I'm going to. Okay, so I'm just going to let that dry. It says, according to the bottle, it says it needs 24 hours. So I guess that means I'm not using my workbench here for the next 24 hours. Sometimes you should really think about where you're going to do your next craft. Anyway, so yeah, we'll see how this goes, and I might actually get some clamps and see if I can clamp it. I'm just not sure how. I don't have any big enough to clamp it, so I might just put something on top. So I'll come back when we're doing the decorating. So I've actually just reread the packet, and I just need to clamp it for 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm just going to leave it sit, and we'll be back and then do the decorating. As you can see, I decided to improvise because I couldn't clamp it. So yeah, we have some paint tins doing the clamp job for me. So hopefully this works out. So this is how it turned out. Really happy. Got a little filing cabinet box thing there, and a beautiful card from one of our wonderful subscribers. So yeah, all nicely set up. Quick, simple DIY. So it's all finished, and I've got it in position, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. If you like today's video, hit the like button down below, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more and another update video about Cullen, which I'll be posting really shortly, hit the subscribe button and scroll up and hit the little bell notification so you get notified whenever we post. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.